Hello everyone, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you can download apps without your Apple ID in iPhone or iPad. So without any further ado, let's get started. Know that if you want to download any application in your mobile phone but you are unsure of your password in your Apple ID, then this video is for you. So what you want to do is go to settings first, then scroll a little bit down to screen time. And here you want to change your screen time password and turn off your screen time password. For this, enter your screen time password like this, so it's turned off right now. And then what you want to do is go to your content and privacy block restrictions. Make sure this is turned on. Then go to your iTunes and App Store purchases and make sure that your required apps is don't required, and this is always set to don't required. If you could do these two simple steps, then this will ensure that you can download application with ease. Then the next step you want to do is go to ID and passcodes. Then what you want to do is type in your phone ID, and you can use your Face ID for your iTunes and App Store. So turn this on. So the next time you go to your App Store and you want to install a application, then just click on Get, and here just click on the double side button and your Face ID will immediately install your application. So this is a quick and easy tutorial on how to do this. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.